Hi, today I'm just going to paint this cow. The colors I'm going to use is blue, red and white and yellow. If I put something else with it, I will just tell you. So I'm just going to use this rubber, I don't know what you call this, a rubber squeegee thingy that you can use. And I'm going to take my white and my blue. And I'm just going to quickly cover my background. I'm just going to do this. I'm too lazy now to mix everything. So you can see this is just a dark blue that I'm mixing into my white. You can go over some of the areas, it doesn't really matter. I just want to do this because otherwise I'm going to struggle too much. I just usually draw it beforehand. Don't want to bore you to death. And the other thing is that you can see what we are painting. And you can go in all the directions that you want, or you can just go in one direction. It doesn't really matter. I don't mind. What's nice about these, you can also wait, you know, the paint comes easily off this even if it's dry a little bit. I'm just going to take my pencil and I'm just going to draw in some flowers while this is wet. And if you cover this background with a wash, it actually works very nice because then you've got another color coming through. You can take a softer pencil as well. Let me just see, this is a 4B maybe. Yeah, this will show a little bit nicer. And you can even scribble in a little bit there as well if you like. I don't mind. I like to scribble and do all this kind of stuff, so you can do whatever your heart's desire. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of black. This is still a lot wet, so but I decided I'm just going to go and put in the black. And then I'm going to make the ear. I'm going to make that also black. No, I painted over that one. I wonder where is his ear. I think it's around there somewhere. And what is the nose? I need to put in the nose as well. Oh, and I just put that there one for fun. If it doesn't look nice, I will paint over it. But I think I must just quickly dry the black. Oh, it's still very wet, but I'm gonna give it a go. And I'm gonna maybe put in a little bit of my yellow as well near the areas that don't show nicely. I've just got the little bit of yellow ochre. I'm just pushing my brush into that a little bit. I usually don't paint on a white background. I always put a glaze on, but I didn't do it today. I've got a line there from the neck area. I just want to maybe put in, and I'm just using my pencil and I'm just making some lines. You don't need to do this if you don't like it. Ooh, made a mess there, but it's okay. We'll just keep on making a mess. I'm taking a little bit of my red with my white, and I just want to make that look cool as an adder. A little pink and little, I don't know what you call it in your country, but we call it spear. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my red, because I want to pop in a little bit of color. And I can even into these flowers. It's just a little bit too wet still, but let's try. Got a little bit of yellow here, but it doesn't seem to work nicely. Let me just get a little bit of orange. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know if what I lost and what I did not lost, but I just put a little bit more red in here and a little bit of my yellow in there and a little bit of orange on my nose. And if I missed the sun, it's just a little bit yellow and white there. But I'm tempted to put in a little bit more of my white, like that. Now when I just slightly put a little bit more yellow in some of the places. Just want to make this a little bit more square. I know the eyes need to be black, but as I made the sides black, I'm just going to put in a little bit of something with white, and then I will just see what I'm going to do there. Just want a little bit of, this thing is irritating me. Just want to get a little bit of my black in here that I lost a little bit. So I'm just working wet into wet with my pencil and my paint. If you don't like it, it's fine, you don't have to, you can wait till it's dry, but I like it like this. I just want to tidy up some of the places that I went overboard, but I don't want it to be too tidy. And I'm just putting thick paint here and there. I've got it on my palette, I can just as well use it. Okay, I've just got a jelly roll here, a white one and a black pen, and I'm just going to just darken the area, the eye slightly. And I can maybe even put a little bit here. Just don't go over not wet paint with this. That's a problem. You mustn't do that. So just make sure your paint is dry before you attempt this. Just want to make a small white dot in the eye. Just got this permanent markers and I just want to darken that. And I think I'm finished. You can just sign your name and if you're happy. And I will see you next time. If you liked it and enjoyed it, you must have a lovely day and take care.